participant know and understand how to assemble the component in this project. And the second is participant know how to electrical components under motion recognition. And the third is participant can program in our project PBL ME 32316. And then the fifth is participant able to make the design of our motion recognition. And then I will explain of our project based learning in use. So our PBL can use for in rehabilitation, sport monitoring, gait abnormality, and VR game. As the example, I will make the example from hospitality. So if we have a patient, the indication he have a stroke, sick in stroke. So definitely we can guess the sick of stroke is the side right or side left of her body can move directly or rightly, and the function of our project is to detection the movement in the hospitality of the gait of sick of stroke. So we can see the progress of the sickly, the stroke, the side of her body can movement. We can detection the movement with progressively. And then our PBL used for tracking too. As we can see at this picture, we have red stick, green stick, and black stick. So the three stick in this picture is the three axis of MPU 6050. So the green stick is to measure line with the right and left axis, and then the red stick is to measure lines to front and backward, and then the black stick is to detect the up and down axis. And the next step is this is our currently project. Like we can see in this picture, this is our project design. We have belt, we have battery, we have SD card, and we have gyroscope and accelerometer sensor, and also we have ESP32 also. The first is I will explain about the belt. The function of the belt is okay, and I will explain the next component. The second is the battery is for our power, and the third is SD card is for to save the data of our program, and the fourth is the gyroscope and accelerometer. We'll explain with our friends, one of our friends, Pak Alwina.